Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's videos I'm going to show you how to change LCD for Redmi Note 11s LCD. So after you heat it at least for 10 minutes, you just open it easily. Like this, I already heat it, so easy for open for me already. You open it right down like this. You just put the drive and open it. This one is not glass, it's rubber. It's very easy, so you can, after you open it, just hit it up like this and remove it. Okay, then you take out all the screw at the back of this phone. Okay, after heat, you need to take out the LCD. Just open it like this. Very be careful, the screen is very strong. Stop. Clean it, remove all the old glass, so that the other one will fix. Okay. You put the glue right on. You be careful for the sensor. Don't close the sensor and don't put on top of the camera. Okay, make sure you put the glue right down. After you put all the glue, now you try to fix the screen and make sure the connector, this one, goes through here, down here, and you put the screen very straight. Don't bend it, make sure you put it straight like this. Then you fix the connector, this one here, down here. Make sure you fix it well and then spawn it properly and don't force it. Make sure you fix it properly. Okay. And you fix the battery terminal. Okay. And you try to close it. Okay. You put the back cover. Okay. Okay. So you close the back cover properly. Close it right down. Then you don't forget to fix the fingerprints. This one, you fix it. Okay. You fix all the screw at the back. Okay, very easy. Make sure you fix all the screw at the back, just like how you take it out. Okay. You fix the 2 screws first here close to the camera side, okay, before you put the camera cover. This one, put it here, okay, then you put the screws on this one also. You screw it. Make sure you put all the screw at the back. So after you put all the screw, then you put the glue right round, and be careful, don't mess up the phone. You put it only where the glue is supposed to be. You put it right round. Just put it right round. Okay. After you put the glue right round, then you fix the back cover. This back cover is rubber, so don't worry about it. Just fix it properly. It's not going to crack. It's rubber, it's not glass. Okay. And from there, if you have the rubber plastic, you have to put it at least to support the glue to get dry. You put it there at least for 1 hour. Now you see, it's okay, it's good. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.